In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I made my first $1,000 selling digital products as a fashion designer. Let's go.
Hey mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours. It's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong. You are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going.
Hello everyone, my name is Idayat and I am a serial entrepreneur. One of my most favorite businesses that I have is digital products. I'm also a fashion designer, which I love to do, but right now I'm focusing more on teaching people how to do businesses because I feel like that is what I'm going to do when I retire from my fashion design. So today I want to share with you, I want to take you back into memory lane 3.5 years ago when I created my first digital product. To be honest, I didn't even know it was called digital products. All I know was I found a pressing problem, which was people kept asking me how to teach them how to make an abaya. People kept asking me, Idayat, teach me how to make an A-line. Teach me how to make a shoulder abaya. Teach me how to make a semi-string abaya. I don't know how to make my own hijab. And I said, you know what? If I keep doing these one-on-one classes, I'm just gonna give myself more work to do. How about I pre-record myself, I go on Instagram Live, I show people how to make it, I download the video, and then I turn it into a course. And that's exactly what I did. And I'm saying all this to say, you can do it as well. Regardless of the skill that you have, let's say you are a fashion designer like I am, or you are a makeup artist, or you are a farmer, or you are it doesn't matter. It honestly doesn't matter. You are what else do people do? You're a tattoo artist, or you are it doesn't matter what hand skills you have, as long as you can show it on camera. Or maybe you're an Arabic teacher. Maybe you teach people how to read the Quran. You could create your own course that can help people to start reading the Quran from the comfort of their home. So what are 3 things that I had to do to make my first $1,000 from my digital products that I didn't even know I was creating a digital product? I had to record the video. I did not use any fancy videos, fancy cameras. I don't even think I used a microphone, to be honest, 3.5 years ago. But what I did do was go live. I didn't even use like my direct camera. I went live. It was a live ratchet, not like 100% good quality. Looking back at the content right now, I'm thinking like, Idayat, did you really shoot this content? But yes, that is the proof of growth. You start when you're scared. You start when you're not perfect. You start when you're not sure. You just go for it, right? So I found the problem because I already had audience that were buying my abayas. They loved my style and they trusted me with teaching them how I make it. I went on live. All the people that came live all those days, they caught it for free. Some people caught it in between. Some people caught it at the very end. Some people had to cut off in the beginning. I downloaded it from Instagram. I uploaded it. So the second thing is to upload it on Gumroad. I always suggest, I highly recommend Gumroad, because if you don't make sales, you're not paying. And even when you do make sales, you're going to be paying 10%. I continue to use Gumroad, but it's not my major digital products website right now, because right now I make a lot of money, so they're going to be taking a lot of money from me. But as a beginner, for your first $1,000, you can use Gumroad. So I created it in different parts. So I did the A-line class separate. I did the semi-swing class separate. I did the overhead hijab separate. So when I realized that people wanted to buy like different styles, but it was all over the place, I said, here comes Ramadan. How about if I bundle all these 5 classes together and then I give them a huge discount? I already pre-recorded the video. It's not like I have to go in there and pre-record it again. It's not I have to go in there, I have to record it each time they ask for it. It's a one time and done, and this is why I like digital products, is because you only have to put in the effort once, and the rest of the effort is the bare minimum of reminding people, which is your content. Remember, content is cash. Reminding people to go and get the digital product, and that's exactly what I did. So I bundled it all up. It was supposed to be like roughly $400 sold separately, but then I made it $97.99 because I already made money separately, but now I wanted to scale from my effort, at least to make $1,000, not knowing that I was going to make a couple of $1,000s from that one digital product. So I put it on Gumroad, and I consistently created content to remind people that I now have the course. They can watch it at any time, and they have lifetime access. Regardless of where you are, you can watch it and you can learn how to make your own abayas. So yeah, long story short, that's how I created my first digital products, and that's how I made my first $1,000 in digital products. If you have any digital product questions or any marketing questions, you have specific questions about what to create, comment it in the chat so I can make a video for you. But if you are still on the fence of, I don't know what to create, Idaya, I don't think I have a skill, I don't know if I have a life experience that I can turn into cash, because I tell you every day, your pain can become your paycheck. Okay? Your pain can become your paycheck. Even if you are a nurse, a new nurse, you passed your NCLEX on at a go. What are the things that you did to help you pass your NCLEX? Remember, you only have to be a step or two ahead of the people behind you. That makes you a teacher. So the people that are about to take their NCLEX now, they can get your course, they can get your ebook and read it so they can pass their NCLEX as well. And if you are still a little confused, which I know is very normal, I have over 150 students in my Boss Up Your Skills course that are actually in the community as well. And if you feel like this is something that you want to do, which I don't think you should pass it over, because that is you passing over opportunities repeatedly, which is going to leave you poor. If you want to start making that side money while you're at work, while you're in the sleep, I want you to make more money in your sleep than on your shift. Okay? That's a bar right there. So if you want to start making easy money, you're tired of working hard, you want to start working smart, you want to start seeing your efforts translating in your bank account and not just the hard work, and your body parts degrading, and you're feeling the pain but you do not have the paycheck to show for it, you can click the link anywhere around this video and join my Boss Up Your Skills today. And if you already have a digital product and you can't sell it, girl, I can sell water to a whale, salt to a slug, and raid to a roach. Okay? I love marketing. Marketing is my strength. And this is what I teach my students every day, all day in the Digital Boss Lab, where we put chemicals together, we mix recipes together to bring out the best out of your digital products and your physical products as well. So make sure you find the link and get into the program today, and also, or get into the community. I'll see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Yeah. Let's go.